Guys, hi and welcome back. In this video I will add the page of the menu, but first I need to add something here. Here I can change the buttons. So here I will give it a class of button large and button large, but I need to edit the font size. Here I give it a class. I gave it a class of button, an ID of button here and here. And there in the style of CSS button, I can give it font size of 25 pixels. I think it will be okay. And margin top of 3 rem. Great. The next thing I have here, these are all okay. Okay, here I can add something different. I can add a line between each section. So here class of line. Okay, I will copy this class and paste it for style CSS, width of 100%, height of 5 pixels, background color into light green. Okay, and now for this section I can give it a class of margin bottom of 5. Great. The next step is I have here is to add the content for the menu page. So here in the code I can make where is it? Here, section with the class of menu. And here I have the first thing I have here is the div, the class of container, and div with the class of row. And here the first thing I have here is the header one and our menu. I will give it a style of text transform into uppercase. So here I got this, and I'll give it a class of text center. Class text center. Great. Here I will add margin top 5. Much better. Great. Here I can add something different. I can make here div with a class of column, and here I can make all and another one here. Here I can make break fast, and here lunch, and finally here for the dinner. So here I got this. We just got a small problem. Okay, where's the buttons? Okay, I can copy all of these here. Can copy this part and paste it instead of where is it? This one. Okay, great. Here I will copy and paste this for the column. Paste. Let's see what we have here first. Great. Here I can make a with this class, or okay. Great, like this. Here I can make the button ghost without the button large, and delete this button ghost. I will delete this ID and this ID and all of that. Here I can copy this part. Let's see what we have here first. Here I got this and this. Great. I have this. I have here the all, and here I have break fast. Here I have the lunch, And here I have the dinner. Great. And here I will give the class of text center. We got a problem? Yes, we got a problem. What about to make all of this for the text center? We got the same problem. Okay. What about putting all of this in a div of a class of column? I will copy this div and make it here. I think here. We got a problem here for the div container and the row to be here. And then this is here and this column is here and this is here. Great. Here I will give it a class of text center. Okay, I know the problem here. Justify content of center. I will delete all of that. Now I don't have this in the center. So what is the problem? The problem. Here, text center. We got the same problem. Okay, we just need to fix this problem. I can give it a width. Style width 100%. Text align into center. The same problem. What is it now? What about text center again? The same problem. So we need to fix this problem. Text center, the same. Okay. What about delete this? I will cut this part and paste it here. Nope. I will delete this part and this part. No, again. So we need to fix this problem. Okay. I can delete this width here. We will try to delete classes. What if I delete the flex wrap? No. What about the deflex? Now I have this in the center. Great. And here I can make margin left of 5. Margin left of 5, and the same for the rest of them. Copy this part, paste it here, here, and here. So now we are done with this part. Great. And this to be margin right of 5. And the same. Great, now it is centered. And here I can make a margin top of 5. Okay. Now we are done with adding this part. In the next video I will add more content to this menu. I think we got a problems here, but we fixed these problems. In the next video I will add cards for this part. So good luck and have fun.